Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change or upload a profile picture in the Escafam application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will find three lines. Press on it and you will see there your name up there and the profile section. Just press on it. And here you can see this circle avatar there. Press on that as well, and you can either upload a picture from your gallery or take a photo right now, and you can upload that as well. So I believe most of the people would choose a picture from the gallery, so I'm going to do that. And here I just select the picture that I want to upload, and you can see that it will be automatically uploaded there. Now you can just go back and you will see your profile picture in the top of the left corner where your profile section is. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.